We're going to talk about basically just reducing these fractions. So the one thing you want to remember to do is to draw a line. Whoops. And what stays in the numerator has to be in the numerator the whole time. And then what's in the denominator stays in the denominator. So we can, oh, whoops. See, we'll have this line there. Okay, so then I want to write out what a squared means. It means a times a. B to the fifth is b times b times b times b times b. A cubed is a times a times a. And b to the fourth is b times b times b times b. Now we can cancel because a divided by a is equal to 1. A divided by a is equal to 1. B divided by b. B divided by b. So we have an a left in the denominator, and it has to stay under the line. And in the numerator, we have a b. So the final answer is just going to be b divided by a. Now, the way they show it is, this is how they do it. They talk about like the squared and the cubed on the a, and they just subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. And because the 3 was in the denominator and it's bigger, that's where it goes here. Because the b is bigger in the numerator, when you subtract 5 minus 4 and you get 1, you just get your b to the first power here. When it's to the first power, you don't have to put an exponent on it. So we're going to just try some examples here. So we have here w to the fifth times v to the sixth divided by w times v to the fourth. So we're going to subtract exponents. 5 minus 1 is 4. So we're going to have w to the fourth. But because the 5 is in the numerator, we're going to put w to the fourth up here. 5 is bigger than 1. So that 5 is bigger than this 1. So that's why it needs to go in the numerator. Then when we do 6 minus 4, because 6 is bigger, we're going to keep the v squared here. And these are just going to go to 1. So when it gets all the way subtracted out, it turns to a 1. So this is going to be w to the fourth times v squared. Now we don't need to have anything in the denominator. We don't have to write divided by 1 because anything divided by 1 is just equal to whatever's in the numerator. So we'll go ahead and check that, do our next one. Now, here we go again. Change the color, that purple's bothering me. Okay, so when we do 3 minus 3, we get 0. So this is z to the, 0 to the 0 equals 1. Okay, so these cancel. They're both the same. So there's no z's in your answer. Okay, so these cancel, and it's 1. Y to the sixth over y to the fourth. We're going to do 6 minus 4. Because the y to the sixth is in the numerator, we're going to have our answer in the numerator. So that cancels to y squared, and then b squared stays in the denominator. So in this example, we're going to have y squared divided by b squared. And that is going to be the end of our lesson. That's the end.